Hello, welcome back to Red Ted Art. Our easy origami series continues. We've had cats, we have dogs, we've had bunnies. Today we're making the super cute and easy origami pig. Come on, let's take a look and see how it's made. So you will need a square piece of paper and a pen. This square piece of paper is roughly 15 by 15 centimeters, but it's not that exact as science. The first thing you need to do is to create a diagonal. So I'm going to fold this as neatly as I can, open it, fold it across again as neatly as you can, and then open it. Now you have this cross. Bring your middle into the center and make a nice neat crease. Bring this middle into the center. And again, make a nice neat crease. Now you've got a line running down the middle. You're going to fold your origami down. Make sure everything's nicely aligned. And again, make a nice neat crease with your nails. The neater the creases, the better it will stay together. Okay, time to make the little ears. This is literally taking the corner, maybe 1 centimeter down, and folding. So you see I'm using my fingers to help hold it all in place, and then give it a little crease. Repeat on this side. Try and get the shape about the same size. And again, crease. Here we go. Isn't that cute? These are little piggy ears. Now you need to fold up the bottom, and this will be the mouth and the snout. So here's the mouthpiece, and now here's the little snout. And you have your basic piggy shape ready. All you need to do now is take your pen, add some little nostrils, and some little eyes. Now this is where it gets fun. You can do some big eyes, you can do little eyes, you can bring them close together or far apart. Put them up here for different characters. I'm going to put it up here. This is going to be a boy pig, I think. Daddy pig. Nice and even. There we go. And that's your origami piggy finished. And here's a mummy pig with some little eyelashes. So can you see how different they look, even though it's the same origami? Super, super easy. Now, if you like this easy origami, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Above all, I'd love you to keep watching and keep making, and I'd love to see you again soon. Oink, oink.